mo ba na maraming buyers ang naloloko sa pagbili ng lupa dahil hindi nila chine-check kung maayos ang extrajudicial settlement? Pero ano nga ba ang extrajudicial settlement of estate? An extrajudicial settlement is simply an out-of-court way for heirs to divide and transfer a deceased person's assets. It's faster, less expensive, and less complicated compared to going through court. Para saan? Para malinaw kung paano hahatiin at ipapasa ang property. Requirements. Number 1, death certificate ng original owner. Number 2, listahan at valid IDs ng lahat ng heirs. Number 3, notarized agreement kung paano hahatiin ang property. And lastly, updated estate taxes at transfer fees. Kung kumpleto ito, doon pa lang pwedeng malipat ang titulo sa pangalan ng heirs at doon lang pwedeng ibenta legally ang property. Kung hindi ito maayos, delikado. Kahit bumili ka ng property, pwedeng habulin ng ibang heirs at baka mawalan ka ng property rights sa pinaghirapan mo. Kaya bago ka bumili ng inherited property, always ask for the extrajudicial settlement of estate.